Welcome to Shining Kiddos.
Let's learn and shine together.
Well,
Hi, kids! Let's learn about different balls and how we play with them. Are you ready? Let's go! Which ball do you like? Soccer ball. This is a soccer ball.
We use our feet to dribble, pass, and kick it into the net. Goal! It is the most popular game in the world.
Volleyball. This is a volleyball.
Here is a volleyball. You can volley it over the net or spike it down for a point. It is played in teams over a net.
Baseball. This is a baseball.
It is small and hard, so you can pitch, hit, and catch it. It is played in exciting baseball games. This is a basketball.
Driving hard to the paint,
This
and he elevates
is a
for the
basketball.
Golf ball. This is a golf ball. It is tiny and dimpled, so you can hit it far with a club. It is used in calm and fun golf games. American football. This is an American football.
It's shaped like an egg, so you can throw it, catch it, and kick it. It is used in contact team sports. Field hockey ball. This is a field hockey ball. The field hockey ball stays on the grass. We use a stick to push and hit it into the goal. Softball. This is a softball. It's bigger than a baseball, and the pitcher throws it underhand.
Rugby ball. This is a rugby ball.
The rugby ball is built for team play. Players pass it and carry it to reach the goal. It is used in strong team games. Water polo ball. This is a water polo ball. The water polo ball is made for the pool. Players throw and catch it with just one hand. Lawn tennis ball. This is a lawn tennis ball. It is light and fuzzy, so you can hit it with a racket. It is used in fast and fun tennis games.
Tennis ball. This is a table tennis ball.
A table tennis ball is light and fast. We use paddles to bounce it back and forth. Squash ball. This is a squash ball. The squash ball is small and rubbery. We hit it with a racket against a wall. It is played indoors. Polo ball. This is a polo ball. The polo ball is used in a special sport where players ride horses and hit the ball with mallets. Pickleball. This is a pickleball. This is a pickleball. It has holes in it, and we hit it with a paddle on a small court.
Billiard ball. This is a billiard ball.
A billiard ball is smooth and heavy. We use a long cue stick to strike it across the table.
Bowling ball. This is a bowling ball.
The bowling ball is very heavy. Roll it down the lane and try to knock over all the pins. Ice hockey ball. This is an ice hockey ball. It is small and smooth, so you can hit it with a stick. It is used in exciting ice hockey games.
Medicine ball. This is a medicine ball. A medicine ball is used for exercise. It's heavy, so we lift and carry it to get strong. Lacrosse ball. This is a lacrosse ball. Look at the lacrosse ball. Players use a long stick with a net to catch and shoot it.
Dodgeball. This is a dodgeball. It is soft and easy to throw and catch. It is used in fun team dodgeball games. Sepak takraw ball. This is a sepak takraw ball. We kick and hit it with knees. It is played like volleyball. Gaelic football. This is a Gaelic football.
Hand pass, hand pass.
We kick
Man
and
on, lads.
pass it.
Go on, take
It
the
is a
mark.
traditional sport. Beach ball. This is a beach ball. The beach ball is full of air. It's perfect for slapping and tossing at the beach. It is used for fun at the beach.
Thanks for watching and subscribe.